everybody, this video is inspired by Teddy Quinlivan. She is a model, she is so beautiful. I was inspired to do this look. She's on her 30th birthday bash here, and she is beautiful. Her skin is flawless, her mug is just flawless, and I don't think she has hardly any on, so I had to do it. So for the hair, it was easy. All I did was did a light curl, then I actually sprayed it with water and just ran my fingers through it. It's kind of like that, you know how supermodels do that, like, not even there curl, and it's beautiful? That's what I feel like I'm doing. Supermodel, you feel me. This is the look we are fixing to do today. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Teddy, if you see this, I live for you. You are so pussy. Thank you so much for being a trans icon. Have a great day, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Okay, we are going into the P. Louise eye base, and we are going to be using the Jeffree Star Wedding palette. And I'll be using Star Vows on the lid and hors d'oeuvres in the crease. This is something very, very simple. It's really effortless, and we really want to make sure that it looks almost non-existent. The look that Teddy has is extremely easy, wearable, and effortless, so that's what we want to go for. I will just be using the Benefit They're Real Magnetic Mascara after curling my lashes, and I will be using Essence But First Espresso Stay in Play Gel Eyeliner just on the top lash line to darken that up, to thicken the lashes. It is a super summery look with like no foundation, basically, just a touch on some problem areas, so to speak. So yeah, and then we're using the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer on the brow, and that is the Cream Shop and Hello Kitty Makeup Perfecting Mist. And then we're using the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Foundation. This is a darker color, because I have a tan right now, so I'm just putting a touch of that on my face where I have any problem areas, like I'm doing some, what do they call it? Electrolysis right now, so I am using that in those areas, and then a little bit on my cheeks. For bronzer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Light Ultra Cream Bronzer, and I am applying that along the perimeter of my face. And for blush, I'm using the Milk Makeup Werk Lip and Cheek Stick thing, and I was really happy with this turned out because it truly does look like I have a sunburn, which I think is such a look for the summer. I love it, especially not wearing foundation and having my freckles out with the sunburn. Loves it. So you can see the places that I applied it there. It was very simple. Just take it and blend it out with my finger, and that's like literally what my sunburns look like when I have them. And I did take some powder bronzer after. That's the Lottie London Suncatcher Sunkissed Powder Bronzer and the Lottie London Haze Ombre Blush. For highlighter, I use the Benefit Watts Up highlighter, and I just placed that on my nose and on in between my eyes. What's that part called? The bridge of the nose, I think? I can't remember now. For lips, I wanted it to be like just had a popsicle type vibes, so I used the Crown Case. There's a deep pink lip liner that they have. I touched that on the lips and then blended that out. And then for the lip color, I used the Maybelline Red Hot Superstay Vinyl Ink, and I smudged that out with my finger. I did use a touch of powder foundation over top of the liquid foundation that I use. I use the One Size Turn Up the Base Powder Foundation. I just wanted to make sure that all of that was set, and there was a little bit of additional coverage on my couple problem areas. Really, and then I think when I was almost done, I went back and put more blush on, back and put more bronzer on, because I was just living how it looked. And you know, like when you're, I know I'm heavy-handed. So sometimes, you know, a bitch does go over the top, but anyway, so the hair is so easy. This had a loose curl in it, and all I did was brush it out and sprayed some water in it. I didn't want it to be wet, just wanted it to be like that. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.